Today we're taking a close look at the all-new 2025 Suzuki GSX-R150, a sport bike that brings the signature GSX-R performance into a sleek, compact package. Whether you're a fan of speed, design, or Suzuki's engineering, you're in for a treat. The 2025 GSX-R150 is designed to turn heads. It features Suzuki's signature styling, with sharp fairings and an aerodynamic build that reflects the GSX-R family lineage. The new LED headlight setup and fully digital instrument cluster give it a futuristic touch. Powering the GSX-R150 is a high-revving 147cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, packing more than enough punch for city riding and weekend getaways. Suzuki has fine-tuned this engine for optimal power delivery, and the throttle response feels precise and smooth. The bike's lightweight frame also enhances maneuverability and stability, whether you're zipping through traffic or enjoying twisty back roads. Suzuki hasn't skimped on tech with the GSX-R150. You'll find a digital instrument cluster that displays everything from speed and gear position to fuel efficiency. Keyless ignition adds convenience, while the optional ABS offers added braking safety, making it ideal for beginner and seasoned riders alike. Despite its sporty nature, Suzuki has designed the GSX-R150 for comfortable everyday use. The seating position is slightly leaned forward for a sporty feel, yet comfortable enough for daily commutes. So, is the 2025 Suzuki GSX-R150 the right bike for you? If you're looking for a compact sport bike that delivers both in terms of performance and style, it's hard to go wrong here. Expected to be priced competitively, the GSX-R150 offers great value for riders seeking an entry into the GSX-R series. Let us know in the comments what you think of Suzuki's latest entry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more motorcycle content.